Hello everybody, it's Charlotte from Thompson Leisure and this is our Swift Tracker ST. So some of the key specification of the ST, it is measuring in at 5.53 metres in length, so it is the most compact out of the tracker range. Saying that, it is a 4-berth with your 4 seat belts, and it's got the pop-top roof. Now, one notable feature about this vehicle is that it comes with the trail pack, so it really does have that rugged adventure look, and it also comes with the spec that's ready for adventure, but with the size, it's also suitable for an everyday driving vehicle. We've got the trail pack, so as I was saying, you've got the upgraded Ford Transit grille, and it does just have that really aggressive look, and our paint is in madder grey. So as you can see along the side here, we have our gloss black Ford alloys. On the topic of the Ford, it's 165 brake horsepower on a 2-litre engine, and this particular vehicle is automatic. Making our way around to the side, our hookup is here. Toilet cassette, we've got the lovely decals along the side there too, and this is our barbecue point. So Swift really have covered all grounds whenever it comes to usability with the vehicle, with it being the 4-berth and the pop-top roof. You also have really decent storage, as you can see, underneath the double bed at the back. Now, this can lift up, so say for instance you maybe had bikes you wanted to put in the back, or something that requires that extra bit of storage, you can lift the bed up, and then whenever you land at your destination, pull the bed back down and unload the van. They really have utilised the space very well here as well. So you've got full use of, I suppose you'd call that the support of the bed. There's actually cupboards underneath here as well. While we're at the back, we have our reverse camera as well as reverse sensors for your driving aids. Making our way around to the other side, so we have an external shower point as well as your barbecue point. It does come with a full Omnister awning, and you've also got a solar panel on the roof to charge up your leisure batteries. So a great benefit of this particular vehicle, it does drive more like a van than your standard motorhome, with obviously it being 5.53 metres in length, 165 brake horsepower. We have the automatic drive in this particular vehicle, but as you can imagine up here you have all the latest modern technology with it being a 2026 vehicle. Some of these to note is your you've got your leather multifunctional steering wheel, so it really does tie into the luxury feel. You've got cruise control built in there as well. You've got your lane keep assist, automatic lights, automatic wipers, and you've got your huge infotainment screen here, where you can actually adjust your aircon. You've your DAB radio, Apple CarPlay, and you have a fully digital cockpit up here in the front. So this is our front lounge area, and as you can see, we're finished off in a part leather, part cloth upholstery. And where it all really ties in lovely is the yellow stitching in the upholstery. So the whole colour scheme throughout the vehicle is matched. Your table in the front lounge actually swings out and gives you a huge space. So that'll just basically come out like this. So if you do have maybe 3 or 4 people sitting, it obviously makes it a more comfortable experience with the extra table space. Just beside me is a kitchen, so we do have a similar setup there. That's just pulled out at the minute, but you can tuck that in out of the way. And then you've got your 2-ring gas burner as well as your sink. Just underneath that is 3 cupboards for all your kitchen utensils, and then of course you've just got the 2 cupboards here. So this is the bedroom setup. You've got your transverse double bed at the back, as I was saying previously. It can fold up out of the way to use as storage. And then beside me is our bathroom. So it is a combined washroom. You still do have a really decent space in there. And then whenever you're showering, you just basically fold up the sink, and that'll give you a bit of extra space whenever you're getting ready. So, talking about the heating system in the Swift ST, it runs off wheel, gas, and electric. As well as this, you have heated and insulated fresh and wastewater tanks, so it's suitable for all year round touring. Um, See up here is our pop top roof. So you've got a huge double bed up there, so it is the perfect camper van for either two or four people. So that is the Swift Tracker ST. Check it out on the website or give us a call 028 92 693 999.